For future reference, and because I have other ears and eyes on this screen, if I ever have a tech issue or something like that, I'm just trying to get to break even on the day. I learned my lesson from having this pie in the sky must hit number. If I'm dysregulated, or my system is dysregulated, or my tech is dysregulated, or maybe some glitchy stuff happened, yes, you're going to have plenty of scenarios where it works out just fine and you let it be. That's awesome. But when you're already down because of a tech issue in a chop market, on that day, I'm probably lowering my targets just to get to flat and count as a trade day. As a rule of thumb, it's something to consider. It's one of those best practices things. That is a video I have not recorded yet. I wanted to hear from some of you guys a little bit more before I decided to do that, because just seeing some of your thought processes, your logics, your idiosyncrasies, your good, your bad, even my own idiosyncrasies, I think they're important to talk about, because without them, we're left to our own devices. And sometimes they're amazing, but sometimes they're detrimental. But
I'll remember that for next time, but I was already in bed by the time you posted that.
yeah, no problem. And sometimes that's up. We missed out on the best day ever, but it's not worth the extra risk. If you're already chopped out, down, you had a tech glitch you had to fix, just go for a flat on the day. Go for break even. Take a smaller net loss or whatever it takes to say, hey, didn't like this. I'm going to come back another day. Because ultimately, guys, your live accounts and your prop accounts are only as good as your ability to survive each day. And if you can't do that, you're going nowhere fast. But here, let's do some math. And remember, the fills, the exactness, get over yourself. Please don't hold me to some excruciatingly painful exactingness. It's not going to happen. But give or take, if I had 5 micros at $2 a micro, okay, that's times 70-ish points, $700. So my math, pretty close, right? Never going to be exact. Fills and everything are going to be different. So on 1 micro, if this had continued to that 69, 70-ish points, I would have been done here. It didn't, okay? Instead it flipped. I'm out on this position by whatever, 40 points, whatever many points. Actually, this one has a 66 point loss. So now I'm down 66 points. It flipped. I'm up, technically speaking. So at this point now, I'm up 66 points. If I get to here, I'm technically break even-ish. Okay-ish. Up or down a couple bucks, whatever that looks like for you. Again, fills and stuff are going to be different. But at this point, I'm break even, but we didn't close and we didn't continue, so I'm not out of the market. And this actually needs to be a little bit higher because that math was off. Cool. So we never hit target. We're still trading. Continuity is meant to be continually trading, hence the name. So now we're down to 60. This one also flips again. We're down 30. We're down a total of 90 points. You need to know what the cost is on that. At $1 at 2 to micro, that's $180 that you're down. So you need to factor in days like this. And in case you had a tech issue and then had this chop. So that just makes for kind of a messy day. So either way, you're down 90 points. Here we go. What happens? We come up, whatever that is, 20 points. We're nowhere near break even. We're still down 70 points by the time we get to this low. Had we continued, this again has to extend a little bit. We need about 140-ish points because you need to make up for the 90 and still get your 60 to 70. Again, fills and stuff are always going to vary. Don't end up getting that. So what happens again? These are faster flips. These settings are a bit faster. But here we are. We get our next flip. What is this? You're down another 60 points. So in total, you're down how many points, guys? What did we say? 90 plus another 60. So 150, 160-ish points, the fees and everything. That's what you need to make up for, plus your 10 points, plus your 60, 70 points. So this move, this is where you end up getting out, okay? I don't know if the market shifted or maybe I shifted through it since I made this. But this is about what you need to now have hit your profits on the day. You're out, you're flat, you're out for the day, you're done.